Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this recipe we are going to need ground meat, white rice, cheese, broccoli, and for seasoning salt and black pepper. I'm going to start by putting some oil into my frying pan, and then I'm going to add my ground meat. I'm using turkey, but you can use any other meat you want, beef, pork, or chicken. So you have to mix it very well, trying to separate it into small pieces. And then I'm going to add a little bit more water for it to be easier to mix it. This is the result that I got. If you have more patience, you can make it even smaller. I didn't have the patience and I just left it like this, but it turned out to be good. So I'm going to add a little bit more water and leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes just to cook. And I'm going to cut my broccoli. I'm using frozen broccoli, but you can use fresh. Fresh will take less time to cook, so it's just your choice. So after I cut my broccoli, I'm going to add it to the meat, to the frying pan, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper, black pepper. I don't know the measurements, I just added to taste, so you can adjust it to your taste. So mix it well and then cover and cook until the broccoli is soft. After it's soft, that's how it looks. I'm going to add my rice. I'm using basmati rice. Make sure it's not too soft so that after you add it to your ingredients, it will not be too mushy and it will look good and will still stay cool. So I'm mixing it. Next step is I'm going to add cheese. If you don't want to add cheese, you can eat it like that. It's also very good. So I'm mixing the cheese. Make sure you mix it very well so that it will spread properly. That's it. That's the end of this recipe, and it's very easy, very nutritious, very delicious. It's not fat, so I hope you enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.